What's up, sneaker fans? Thanks for tuning into another unboxing and review, and happy Halloween. Spooky season is officially upon us, and in this review, we'll see if this release was more of a trick or treat. Let's get right into it. This is what many sneaker fans are calling the third iteration of the Shattered Backboard line. There isn't really any connection to the previous two other than it's a Jordan 1 that uses orange. First impressions, this is a weird one. I honestly don't know how to feel. This shoe is everything from intriguing to horrifying. The glossy finish with the wrinkled leather texture is certainly striking. Fortunately, the leather upper feels high quality and the colors are vibrant. Taking a detailed look at the shoe, up close you can really start to appreciate what Nike was going for here. The color blocking is reminiscent of a Bread or Royal 1, but instead of churning out familiar colorways, Nike is trying to mix it up by using new materials we haven't seen on a silhouette that these days are getting a lot of releases. If you like Jordan 1s, then you know how coveted the previous two Shattered Backboard releases were. Finally seeing these in hand, I'm not sure if the reactions will be as positive, but after examining them more closely, I can say they are nicer than I had expected. Starfish orange hit on the tongue tag, and your usual Jordan 1 label info and licensing on the back. One small detail that I appreciate is that the foam on the inside of the tongue matches the color of the tongue. Inside, you won't find that shattered design on the insole, which is something you'd find on both of the official Shattered Backboard colorways. The midsole and outsole, as well as the thread that is stitching the upper and midsole together, are all done up in pale vanilla. Here, I would have really appreciated a starfish orange color on the outsole. Some background on the Shattered Backboard colorway. It was inspired by the orange jersey a young Michael Jordan wore when he broke the backboards on a monster slam dunk in an exhibition game in Italy. Overall, as weird as they are, I'm glad I was able to get a pair. The quality's up to par with other Jordan 1s of late, and after really examining them, I would say this wasn't just another Jordan 1 release, and I appreciate the extra effort Nike put in, even if the results weren't exactly what we expected. And that brings us to the end of this review. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and as always, wear what you like, not just the hype. This has been a More Than Hype unboxing and review.